हेलो नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज लेके आ गए हम फिर एक ज़बरदस्त डिबेट आप लोगों के सामने आनंद रंगनाथन जी का और विजेता दहिया के बीच। एक एनडीटीवी के चैनल पे डिबेट है और देखिए कैसे नए नए पार्टी तो ये लोग बनाए थे। केवल पहले तो जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आया था टिप्पणी आया था चीफ जस्टिस का, उसके विरोध में इन्होंने पार्टी बनाया था। उसके बाद से इन्होंने उसको जोड़ दिया था नीट एग्ज़ाम से रिलेट कर दिया था। अब ये लोग कुछ मतलब राजनेताओं का इन लोगों का पीछे हाथ है। अब ये लोग राजनीति में भी आना चाहते हैं, लेकिन अब अमित पात्रा जी हो गए या सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी हो गए, ये लोग पूरे तैयारी के साथ आते हैं और ये लोग बिना तैयारी का सॉरी हैं। तो इन्हों की कैसे ज़बरदस्त आनंद रंगनाथन जी ने रिलाई की है। आप इस डिबेट को देखिए।
He is the education minister and he should. Okay, let me just lay down one rule over here. Let's not make it personal for the simple reason that I think all of us here stand for principles.
No.
We are here for principles and
all
issues.
of us don't stand for principles. Let's not play political correct game out here.
All right.
Half of the people don't stand for principles.
Okay.
If they did, they would have said that anyone who commits murder should be hanged, not just 1 out of 3.
Okay, let me say Dr. Ranganathan
now
stands
let
for
me come.
principles. Why not Mr. Pradhan first? All right.
Always.
Okay.
Always.
All right. So Dr. Ranganathan speaking on principle. Let
please
me
allow
his answer. I'm coming to the others. Please.
Now please allow
One
me because Manas asked a
no
question.
interruptions, please. One at
विजेता आपके पास भी आ रहा हूँ, पहले मानस से बात करूंगा। What Manas said कि सारे questions आपने CGP के लिए क्यों रखे हैं? On day one, okay, we've been asking more questions of the government, not just we. A lot of BJP supporters, Modi voters, उनके नाम ले सकता हूँ, अजीत भारती, अनुराधा, so many others. But the BJP has been, as if deaf ears. जब दंगा होगा, फसाद होगा, एनार्किस्ट आएंगे सड़कों पे, तभी सुनती है। फार्म लॉस का भी यही था, हर चीज में उनका ये। सो इट्स रॉन्ग फॉर यू टू से दैट व्हाई ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर बीइंग डायरेक्टेड टू सीजेपी। नाउ लेट मी आस्क दिस जेंटलमैन अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन। हु इज के राधाकृष्णन?
No, you tell me. Go ahead.
So he is fighting for students' protests, students' rights, NEET. He doesn't know the chairman of the committee, Radhakrishnan committee, that was constituted to look into NEET reforms. ये हैं आज के नेता.
Listen,
all of you pay attention. Now be quiet. Listen. थोड़ा सुनने की क्षमता रखो. सुनो.
Please, I'm giving you time.
एक महीने से चिल्ला रहे जंतर मंतर पे, इनको ये नहीं पता राधाकृष्णन कौन है.
I know.
Abhi, I asked you.
Baba, but I'm not here for an exam because the exam gets leaked. I am here to. Yeah, the exam gets leaked, man.
अच्छा सुन लो.
See, the point is, if you keep demanding accountability, oh man, you raise the issue, you got to be perfect. So this angels versus demons thing, that either you got to be an angel or we will demonize. This thing doesn't work.
No, it also does not work. One at a time. One at a time. Let him finish. Let him finish. Then Vijeta, then
because you need to solve this. You can't solve it through finger pointing that all of us do, rightly or wrongly. These solutions were given by me, by everyone else, by Radhakrishnan committee on day one. They were not implemented by Pradhan, and that is why Pradhan must resign. What were the solutions that were given? That it has to be computerized. If JEE exam that has 15 lakh students appearing is computerized, why is NEET not computerized? What was the second one? Hold it in multiple shifts. The third one, have score normalization. These were the 3 reforms. Fourth and fifth, biometric. All those major recommendations of Radhakrishnan committee that this guy didn't know existed were ignored by Pradhan. Now, let me come to the major issue, the crux of the issue. Today, everyone is going gung-ho कि आज मोदी जी आ गया और कहा है fast track courts. Everyone is saying, yeah, this is what is. This is wrong. अब पछतावत क्या हो जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत? Because of 2 reasons. The first reason is the following. Is any dastardly crime lesser or greater than any other dastardly crime? When I say कि आपने एक solution दे दिया कि fast track courts हैं जिन्होंने नीट का पेपर लीक किया, एसिड अटैक के लिए फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट्स नहीं है, डाउरी डेथ्स के लिए फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट नहीं है, क्या वो लेसर क्राइम्स हैं? नंबर 2, दिस इज नॉट अ डिटरेंट बिकॉज देयर आर फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट्स फॉर रेप, दे कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. So this is not something that is a solution. After the horse has bolted from the stable, you are providing this. So, you know,
So you're saying this is window dressing.
and देश के लिए खड़े हो, मैडम
Okay.
किसी पार्टी के लिए नहीं.
And questions should be asked to both sides without attributing agendas. Very quickly, I think Vijeta should respond, then Tehseen and Harshvardhan ji, who hasn't spoken for very long. Yes.
Anand reminds me of two lines. वो बात
राधा कृष्णन
अरे
बोलो
सर आप
यार
बोलने तो दो
First apologize.
आप बोलने ही नहीं दे रहे
No राधा कृष्णन.
सर at least let me speak.
Admit.
Let him
The-
speak,
the-
Anand. Let him speak. Yes.
This kind of arrogance
केजरीवाल वाली
you
बात.
do not let others speak. This the what is the
केजरीवाल वाली.
problem?
Vijeta.
और कहीं फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच नहीं है यहाँ पे तो रहने दो
मत बनो भाई.
यहाँ पे तो रहने दो
Okay, go on, Vijeta.
वो
Yes.
वो बात सारे फसाने में जिसका जिक्र ना था वो बात उनको बहुत नागवार गुजरी है सो ही इज एंग्री ओवर कि ये नहीं बोला दे डिड नॉट से दिस दे डिड नॉट से दैट एंड इवन नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू इवन इन एन इंटरव्यू yesterday I had said that yes the Punjab minister must also resign again I am saying but you want to put every issue to dust you want to put
निकाल दिया जंतर मंतर से तब याद आया हरजोत सिंह.
Mr. Anand
एक महीने से याद नहीं था हरजोत सिंह.
Mr. Anand, you
तब
are-
केजरीवाल के पैर छू रहे थे.
Mr. Anand, you are a star.
You
I'm
are
a
a young
fool.
man.
Oh, okay,
need
you
to
are a
learn
star. I'm
how
a
to be
fool.
humble.
But
be humble, study more.
sir, you are a
क्लास
star.
अटेंड करो.
Listen,
और
sir.
जब कुछ नहीं आता ना सवाल
सर,
का
बोलने तो
आंसर
दो.
तो बोल दो मुझे नहीं आता.
बोलने तो दो.
Okay,
Admit,
I,
बोलने ही नहीं दे रहे.
okay, but I have a question. I have a
Let me
question.
finish. Let me
Okay,
finish.
let Vijeta finish, please. Vijeta, then Tehseen.
The
Please.
point is-
Keep it
What
orderly.
about me?
हाँ.
It is getting about you.
Don't.
But,
Okay.
let me just finish. See, many people they do their bit for a moment. So Cockroach Janata Party, it captured public imagination, and let's admit this that of course the thing about NEET paper leak, it went among the masses. So Mr. Anand, I agree you are a very intelligent man. You must have given suggestions, but CJP made it a popular issue.
Okay, now I have a
made it
cross
about
question on that.
students.
Just a second, just
It's
a second.
not about CJP, it's about the students.
Vijeta. Okay, so a couple of things. You are absolutely right. And from the beginning, we have said that there was genuine discontent, which you tapped into. You became that rallying point. I have nothing, and I think a large number of students here have nothing against you setting up a movement. I think the very specific question that at least 3 people here have asked, including this gentleman who was there on the 20th, that he went there with full faith in you. Where were you on the 20th of July? Where was Abhijit Dirke? And don't say कि भाई ये तो movement था, movement took a life of its own. When I walk into a parade, I am seeing there's one person leading me. We are doing it in an orderly fashion. You cannot disappear. You cannot disappear, Vijeta, because I was left there. और आपसे अब जंतर मंतर पे लोग पूछ रहे हैं. कल जंतर मंतर पे छोटे छोटे बच्चे पूछ रहे थे कि ये लोग किधर थे जब हमें लाठियां पड़ रही थी. दिल्ली पुलिस में जिसने लाठी मारी उसके खिलाफ एक्शन होना चाहिए, पर आपके खिलाफ एक्शन क्यों ना हो? On your call I went there. Where were you?
Here I agree with
police
you.
brutality.
बर्गर खाना
No, let
तो
him
खाओ.
answer. Let him answer.
Police brutality. It cannot be blamed on CJP. There were lakhs of people. There were
Lack
lakhs
of
of people.
leadership was your issue.
Saurav and Ashutosh, they had gone to talk. Now you can ask, why did the government, they sent their representative only on the 20th? Were you sleeping?
Where were you? Where were you?
I was there. I did attend
No,
the march.
you were not there in the march.
There were Saurav
You were
and
not there
Sheetal.
in the march.
I was there. I was there on another side. I was there the whole night. I was there the previous
I
night as
think-
well. I was about to.
My name is
because of
Kinza
weakness
Rahman.
and
Yes,
hunger.
yes, yes.
So
Right,
I went
right,
and I had
right.
to come back in the evening to
Right.
manage the crowd.
Yes, completely.
See, this is what the
My name is
problem.
Kinza Rahman. I'm currently pursuing economics from Miranda House, University of Delhi. I think we were here today to discuss about possible solutions and reforms. We're completely deviating. We're completely deviating from the topic. Sir, to answer your question कि इधर मर्डर हुआ हर जगह की अकाउंटेबिलिटी आनी चाहिए. That's right, but sir, प्लीज लेट अस ऑल रिमेंबर द फैक्ट दैट एक ही उल्लू काफी है बर्बाद गुलिस्तां करने को. यहाँ हर शाख पे उल्लू बैठा है, अंजाम गुलिस्तां क्या होगा? नाउ दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द क्रक्स ऑफ द मैटर एज टू वेयर द रिफॉर्म्स कम इन. That is one simple thing, which is basic education. If that basic knowledge which you're talking about basic research was to them, not CJP in particular, all of the people who are connected to the cause, who are actually protesting because they are connected to the cause, it would have been better. Not just because, as he said, that CJP caught a popular movement and that is the reason. No. Just because it has got mass attention, just because you're getting mass mobility, does not mean that you're going to do anything and everything.
No, I'm not saying we'll do anything and everything, but please understand, we are not a political party with thousands of crores.
Hi, my name is Tisha and I'm a BTech graduate. I'm currently working as an AI engineer. So the issue is the youth of this nation is tired of politics. We were sitting here in order to discuss the issue at hand, but it all started, right from sir, it all became a political agenda. All of you, even this movement, we the youth of this country, we don't need a leader. And it was a leaderless movement. Where was Abhijit Dipke? During the march. We don't need a leader right here. And the issue is about the system, the education system, which is not being solved. Sir discussed about, the NTA, the National Testing Agency, and the flaws that is there, right? Making the examination a computer-based test, it has its own loophole. Are we discussing about that? No. All we are discussing is which party is there, whom should we blame. Aam Aadmi Party, BJP.
That's not true. I have talked again and again about systemic reforms. That the NTA, there are problems with NTA. I have said that.
My name is Satyam Agrawal. I'm a practicing lawyer at Delhi High Courts. After listening to the FUC words of Anand sir and the general contempt by all the governments with regard to students' leaks and papers, I cannot help but recall the lines of President Reagan, who said that the 9 most terrifying words in the English language are, "I am from the government and I'm here to help." As far as the protests are considered, there are 2 things at stakes here, which is happening on the streets of Delhi. First is, of course, the cardinal sin of paper leaks, because for which there are genuine students who are protesting. Second, which also needs to be understood and fought on social media and other channels, is the professional agitators who have come into the picture, have trying to... Politicization of a matter itself is not problematic as far as I am concerned. If the matter being getting political is fine. Politics just helps to ensure in the struggle and to ensure that your concessions are given by the state. Because as far as the history of human liberty and human struggle is considered, it is seen that without struggle, no concessions have been made by the...
What do you think should happen next? Should a parliament debate happen? What should happen?
This parliament debate should happen, and there has also been a resolution by the speaker. The speaker has agreed to a resolution. The government has agreed to speaking in to a debate in the parliament.
Yeah. So I mean, government is agreeing, but everyone has to agree for a debate to take place. Yes, very good.
Hello, this is Ananjay. I'm currently pursuing my BS from IIT Madras. I have a very direct question for you, Mr. Daya. Should we expect one day to see CJP become a political party and fighting in elections, not right now, in future, after a year, after 2 years, after a few years?
Maybe, may not be. If the people, they come to politics, in particular, I do not have much interest. Because I'm a very outspoken kind of person. But yeah, if the other people, they come to politics, I'll welcome it. But if it sustains as a social movement, that's also great. That's not
Let me ask you through a show of hands, how many people here think that a debate should happen in parliament with all sides participating? Yeah. That everyone should discuss this in parliament? And how many of you think that Jantar Mantar pe hi agitation kafi hai?
Vote should go. Why should there be either or?
How many?
No, 1 second. This business.
Dharmendra Pradhan and everyone must
This business of only one stop has to stop. This country was built on 3S. Sadak, Sansad and Supreme Court. Everywhere there should be a discussion. Why should it be either or? Why should it be either or? And one more thing, bro, with absolute respect to you. There is no doubt about it that every murder is wrong. There is no doubt. But these kids felt out here that this was wrong because no other nut job said that we will use the Indian Air Force to distribute papers. The Indian Air Force was used.
And banned
let's be clear. One second. No. You must allow me. One second. The Indian Air Force, which smashed Pakistan, was used as courier service. That is humiliating to each one of us.
Okay,
that is not how it works.
Please allow me. Okay, 30 seconds more.
30 seconds more. The idea of stopping paper leaks was not the solution he gave that make it a registered organization, get accountability, put it on a blockchain, let's have a GPS tracking, let's have Ziplocs that open with GPS, where you can use this, you are in AI, where you could use technology. You know what his idea was? let's ban Telegram, because sure, if you leak it on Telegram, you can't send it on WhatsApp or Signal. That was the problem. You guys are laughing. Therefore, somebody who's incompetent to be an education minister must go. And I'm
और ये
talking
कौन
about the
फैसला
Babus.
करेगा तहसीन की कौन कॉम्पिटेंट है एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर के लिए? कौन फैसला करेगा? हर्षवर्धन जी,
22 people died by suicide due to paper leak.
And once again, 22 people died.
how will
Just once again,
accountability-
22
just a
people died. The principal, the head of NTA is Principal Secretary Chhattisgarh today. What are you going to go and tell the parents that the punishment given by the government is Principal Secretary Chhattisgarh, the third most highest post? I am
Harshvardhan.
sorry. End this. What about it? Please kick out Madhu. What's his name? Bangarappa. Please kick him out. I think he should be kicked out. You must ask Rahul Gandhi questions. Why the hell aren't you doing it? But let's ask questions of everybody. But don't say why one movement is not happening. Ask the no. Ask the why they're not protesting.
ओके हर्षवर्धन जी,
तहसीन ये कह
हर्षवर्धन जी,
सकते हैं,
हर्षवर्धन जी,
लेकिन प्रियंका गांधी नहीं कह सकती है। प्रियंका गांधी ने कहा
अरे मैं
अशोक गहलोत जी ने बड़ी कोशिश की।
I think Ashok Gehlot was a failure.
एक मिनट
One at a time, please.
एक मिनट तहसीन
One at a time, please.
I think he was a failure. No, I will not allow what about you on my name.
what about
I
you
think
नहीं?
Ashok Gehlot failed. You cannot put it on
Tehsin,
my
you
name.
got a free run to speak for a good 2 minutes.
failed.
Now let him
प्रियंका गांधी ने कहा बहुत मुश्किल है, पेपर लीक रोकना बहुत मुश्किल है। अशोक गहलोत जी बहुत कोशिश करके नहीं रोक पाए। राजस्थान का एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर कहता है अच्छा पेपर लीक हो गया तो मैं क्या करूं, उसको तो माध्यमिक शिक्षा बोर्ड ने बनाया हुआ।
सत्ता नहीं व्यवस्था परिवर्तन करता है। कितने यूथ है जो उसके लिए खड़े हुए?
All standing for it. They're all. Don't you want व्यवस्था? Don't you want? ये सब चाहिए।
तहसीन ऐसे नहीं करते।
क्यों कह रहे हैं आप
आप फैक्ट आने दीजिए। ये जो एनटीए बनी है क्योंकि मेडिकल के एग्जाम्स में बहुत ज्यादा घपले घोटाले सीटें बिकना, इसके लिए एनटीए बनी। एनटीए में ये गड़बड़ आई तो उसको भी ठीक करना पड़ेगा। और मैं फिर कह रहा हूं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को त्यागपत्र इसलिए नहीं देना चाहिए। आपके बीच में नहीं बोला।
छत्तीसगढ़
इशू है एग्जाम कैसे ठीक से होंगे, पेपर लीक कैसे नहीं होगा। एक बच्चा इतनी तैयारी करके एक बार पेपर लीक होता है,
प्रमोशन है या पनिशमेंट है?
फिर मैं कह रहा हूं
प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी छत्तीसगढ़ प्रिंसिपल, इज इट पनिशमेंट और प्रिंसिपल प्रमोशन? Ask them.
Transfer is not
talking for them.
Transfer is not
We're turning this into a fish market. Not good.
No, but this is not fair.
Not good. Let him finish. I will give you a chance.
इस देश का नौजवान कॉकरोच नहीं है।
लाइक और
एक कमेंट की वजह से कोई एक मीम पेज बन जाए, कोई हो सकता है, उनके मुद्दे कुछ ठीक हो सकते हैं।